So how do you know if you have Candida overgrowth or low stomach acid? These tests, these free tests, are going to tell you exactly that. We're going to determine if you have Candida overgrowth or low stomach acid. You know, both of these conditions, they'll cause your hormones to be imbalanced, and they're going to prevent you from having the healthy, the amazing tone, trim body that I know you're craving. Both of these tests, they should be taken on an empty stomach. The best time to take them when you first wake up, before you brush your teeth or you put any food in your mouth. So the Candida spit test, well, before we get into that, we all need a little Candida. Candida, again, it's a yeast, and it feeds your body. It helps you digest your food, but it feeds on sugar. So when we eat too much sugar, or the bacteria in your gut just isn't balanced, the Candida, it comes out to party. Yeah, it says, yay, let's have a party, because all the food is there, all the sugar is there. You know, Candida, it might cause a mutation of all the yeast. It mutates from a yeast state to a fungal form. And once it's mutated, Candida, it can be severely damaging to the body. So to rebalance your Candida and get it back to normal levels, it's so necessary to restore your healthy conditions within the intestinal tract. And that's what you're going to do with my delicious detox. So let's learn how to check for Candida. All you do is you fill a clear glass with some water, maybe about 4 ounces of water. First thing in the morning, when you wake up, you gather a bunch of spit in your mouth. Get about a quarter, maybe a tablespoon of spit in your mouth, and you're going to spit it right in the glass. And you're going to check it twice. You're going to check it at 20 minutes, and you're going to check it at 45 minutes. And just check to see what's happened with the spit. If the spit actually sinks to the bottom, you've got major Candida, okay? If it just has legs like wine that are coming down in the glass, well, you have a case of Candida, but it's not terribly overgrown. But I would still suggest getting off sugar and getting your microbiome cleaned up. So that's the Candida test. It's that easy, that simple, and it's free. I also suggest you do it over a few days period. You can do it like 3 or 4 days, that works. My professor said 6 days is the best, but you be the judge of it. Most of my clients, they can't do 6 days, okay? And let me tell you, one symptom of Candida, it's brain fog. So you might just forget. Now we're going to go on to the hydrochloric acid test. You get another clear glass and you put about 4 ounces of water in it. And all you do is take a spoon, get some baking soda, and you put about 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda in the water. Now you don't want a lot because, hey, it doesn't taste very good. Then you just want to stir it up, and you want to set a timer, maybe your phone, set a timer for 3 minutes. And simultaneously, you're going to down this concoction. So you down the concoction, you've set your timer, and you notice when you burp. Are you burping at 15 seconds? Hey, your stomach acid is perfect. No worries. You've got great stomach acid. Maybe you burp closer to 1 or 2 minutes. Well, we've got some work to do. But if you burp closer to 3 minutes, oh my goodness, we've got a lot of work to do. And we really need to get your stomach cleaned up. So glad you're here. Do the spit and the burp test. And let's see what happens with your tests. Bring your test results to our coaching call, and we'll see how to heal these. I'm going to give you some suggestions so you can start on those right away. Oh, and it's really big with hydrochloric acid and Candida. make sure you're chewing well, because we gotta start digesting our food with our mouths. And then those chompers in your mouth, they pre-digest the food, and your stomach is so much happier. Because when your stomach acid, when it's depleted, it only takes half the number of pathogenic bacteria to cause disease. So if it's really low, you're gonna get a lot more diseases. And stomach acid, it kills Candida. So when you have a lot of stomach acid and the balanced amount in your gut, you're probably not gonna get a Candida overgrowth. So you've got your marching orders, do your test, and enjoy the process, and come back and let us know how it goes for you. Thanks. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.